How to silence unknown callers on your iPhone 8 Plus. This feature is very useful if you receive too many spam calls, telemarketing calls, or unwanted calls from numbers that are not saved in your contacts. To turn on this feature, first open the Settings app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Now, scroll down and tap on Phone. Inside the phone settings, scroll down until you find the option called Silence Unknown Callers. Tap on it, then turn on the toggle next to Silence Unknown Callers. Once enabled, your iPhone will automatically silence calls from numbers that are not saved in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, or Siri suggestions. Keep in mind that if you are waiting for an important call from a new number, such as a delivery person, doctor's office, or any other service, you may want to turn this feature off temporarily. Even after enabling this option, you can still find these calls in the Recent section, and if the caller leaves a voicemail, you can listen to it anytime. So this is how to silence unknown callers on iPhone 8 Plus and reduce unwanted spam calls without blocking numbers manually. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.